Sagittarius, November 22 to December 21. I repeat, November 22 to December 21. The Sagittarians, the sign is represented by a man with a bow. The hind part of a Sagittarian is represented by a horse. This is a sign where they are straightforward people, they are ready to take up a job, they are very focused, and once they take up a job, they deal with it in a very straightforward way and in a very intellectual, with a very intellectual approach, and with a combination of hard work, they tend to achieve it. A sign which is an excellent sign, and I like this sign. The year 2013 for Sagittarius. Again, till June 2013, the Sagittarians would achieve and do well in business. They would get into a lot of relationships in business and in service which would help them. They would also come to make a lot of contacts which is going to help them both in business as well as service. Also the year 2013 and more so till June 2013 is a good year for getting married. It is also a good year for getting into relationships, love affairs, so on and so forth. Therefore, till June 2013, a good year to expand your business horizons, to make more contacts in business as well as in service. These contacts will help you to gain more money. You will be able to nurture your business well, and therefore, till June 2013, it's a very good period where you should take advantage of the positive aspects in your horoscope. It's also a good period for marriage and relationships. After June 2013, please be careful while dealing with your finances. Please also be careful while dealing with secretive activities. I would suggest that your nature also does not allow it. Therefore, most of the Sagittarians after June 2013, even if a situation arises where you have to act in a secretive way, whatever may be the situation, where you have to act in a secretive way, please do not get into it. Secretive activities should be restrained. That is what my advice to you after June 2013 is. Even if you have to do them, then do them with a lot of planning and with an approach of caution. That is what my advice after June 2013 is. Also, you will be prone to accidents after June 2013, and therefore be careful while driving, crossing roads or whatever. Health will also be an area of concern after June 2013. Therefore, be careful of your health and take care of all your basic parameters of your health. Get them tested if you are above the age of 55. The thing which should be extremely careful in the whole year of 2013 is that Sagittarians should not commit themselves to expenses. I see Sagittarians committing themselves to very high expenses. This could be an area of problem. You may have to borrow to take care of the expenses. Therefore, be careful while committing yourself to expenses this year. Do not stretch yourself on the basis of a future source of income. Be in the present, and whatever actions you take, do them taking the present into consideration. Further, I would also caution that be careful while you travel abroad. That is an area where you can travel abroad for leisure, but if you are dealing with business which has international aspect into it, be careful while you are making your balance sheet and doing your calculations. This is an area of caution. So two things which I would say you should be cautious about is don't overcommit yourself, don't do expenses, and also while dealing with partnerships abroad, take care that you see the balance sheets and various aspects closely.